are joining our beautiful birthday sister already in progress because I just realized we gotta take a movie.
Yeah.
Because your brother's gonna definitely need a movie. And we're being choose a color bird, right?
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna have a pink heart in the middle.
Yes, we are.
Wonderful. Close your eyes, Lummy. You have pretty eyeshadow on.
Thank you.
Just covered it all up. Let's do some sparkles, baby. Don't open. Oh, that's pretty.
Go ahead, your shirt. It's all sparkle. I feel glittery. I can see glitter right here.
I think these birds will be good with pink beaks.
Yeah, me too.
I think the pink will glow in the dark.
Yay.
The birds are in love.
I know. I hate when that stuff dries and then it feels weird on my eyebrows. Yeah, me too.
Okay, close eyes, baby.
Got a lot of glitter there.
She does.
When you're done, I'm gonna have you go with your brother.
Say. What picture of you is on the picture board? Forget.
Glossy puppy.
Oh, the glamour puppy. That's right.
Puppy.
Yeah, you look so cute.
Yeah. Yep, that was her a few years ago.
Yeah, you're so little.
Yeah. He got like 6. I'm
I
surprised
know.
that's still on there. I thought you would have changed it.
No, I like it.
So we got her brother. Well, we got the youngest one, the brother, her, and then we got me. So it's like older sister and then older sister.
So 3 more kids?
No, we've got me and then we got the other one.
Okay.
And then there's like 10 kids coming for a birthday. More than 10 kids coming for a birthday party. But 2 of them don't really count because they're younger.
I just want to make sure everyone gets a movie since you guys are getting a movie. I don't want to miss anybody.
She's like the only person that
Right? Make sure to tell me.
Yeah, I'll make sure to tell you who's with us anyways.
Okay. Oh, you look so pretty again.
Aren't you a mom?
I am. These are my 2 daughters here.
How old are they?
They're younger in those pictures. The big one is 15 and the little one is 12.
Nice. What school do they go to?
They go to Burlington.
Ah.
So the big one goes to the high school.
Did
and the
they go
little
to
one goes
CP
to the
Smith?
medical. You go to CP Smith?
No, but do one of them?
No, they don't.
My sister does.
Your sister goes
Half
to
sister.
Smith?
Yeah.
That's a nice school.
Mother, sister. It itches. My mind.
Oh no.
Don't forget recording, right?
I know. Pretty. What sparkle sparkle again. Don't open.
Dude, after I'm locked up.
Pretty. Okay, look right at me, sweetie.